Greetings from Mazatlan, Sinaloa. I have never been here before, so I saw this Mazatlán layover pop up. One 24-hour Mazatlán layover. I thought it was going to go crazy senior, and I'm fairly senior enough for the company, but not like way up at the top. I'm like, let me bid for this and see what happens. And yeah, I ended up getting it. Yeah, here in Mazatlan, and it's absolutely pretty lit up tonight. So it's almost midnight, but I don't have to get up early. But I've also been up since 3:30, so I'm gonna go pass the f out because I have a belly full of tacos and I'm tired.
That was good.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
Yeah, so can you meet later?
All right.
Oh, That's really cool.
Oh my god.
Because whatever the opposite of waterproof is, that's what this camera is.